Hey everyone, this is Farooq Khan and I hope you are doing very well today. I'm going to announce an exciting opportunity in this video in which you will get a professional developed website for your business absolutely free without any development charges. Yes, you heard it right. Our team of experts will develop a professional website for your business absolutely free. But that is not that all. You will also get a professional logo for your website, free SEO on-page service, and also your social media accounts that will also integrate with your website. And all that is absolutely free. Stick with me till the end of this video to get more info about this product. Let's get started. Are you doing business on Amazon or any other marketplace? Then you must know that how crucial it is to build a professional website for your business. It is not only it is not only showcasing your product to the customers, but also create a great deal of trust in customers' mind. So it is very crucial to make a business website for your business. And if you are not doing e-commerce or if you are doing blogging, affiliate marketing, or any other thing, then creating or developing a website is a crucial step towards a success. To get started with the website, you will require basically three things. Number one is domain. Domain is the name of your website, just like google.com, facebook.com, yahoo.com. The second thing that you will require is to buy web hosting. Web hosting is a service which keeps your website live 24/7. The third thing that is required for developing a website is to hire an expert who is a web developer who will code your website, who will develop your website, so your idea will come to our real life. So in this opportunity, we are not charging anything for developing your website. We are doing it absolutely free. The third thing that is required is to hire an expert who is a developer who will code your website and who will bring your idea into a real life. So in this opportunity, you don't need to hire an expensive developer. You can save up to $1,000 and a lot of your precious time and effort. Stick with me. I'm telling you a step-by-step procedure. For bringing this amazing opportunity to you, we have partnered with the top-notch hosting provider in the market to make it sure that you will get a better speed for your website at no additional cost. Plus, buying with our affiliate link means that you will be qualifying for this web development offer. How cool is that? If you already have a domain and hosting with you, this offer is specifically designed for those people who are getting started or who wants to switch from another provider through our own dedicated affiliate link. Unfortunately, existing people who are already having domain and hosting, then this offer is not for you and standard charges will apply. Now let's dive into the step-by-step procedure in which I will show you how you can get benefit from this offer. After clicking on the link mentioned in the description of this video, you will be landed to itscode.com. After landing on itscode.com, you will find two buttons here, Start Here and Avail this offer. Let's click on Start Here button. You will be scrolled down to the next section in which all the details of what you are getting from this offer are mentioned. You will get any type of website. It doesn't matter if your website is of e-commerce, blogging, service website, or any other type. We will make any type of website for you. That website will be powered by WordPress. WordPress is an easy to manage CMS system that will make you able to handle your website by your own. You will get 8 content pages, a custom logo design for your business. We will also do your on-page SEO, search engine optimization, that will help you to rank in Google rankings. We will also create and integrate your social media pages. We will also design your custom homepage, and if you have any other homepage design ideas or reference in your mind, you may contact us
for that. We will also integrate Google Analytics. We will also link your website with Google Search Console so you may track your traffic for your website. We will also create a contact us form or contact us page in your website. Your website will also be mobile ready design, so any people in the world can access your website in their mobile phones. Your website will also be speed optimized. That means that it will be speedy, so Google will rank your website fast. We will be here for 24/7 support. So if you have any problem in your website, we will be here to help you out. But that support is not for lifetime, it is for limited time period. For lifetime support or maintenance, you may contact us in the chat section of this website for more details. We will also create a chat section or WhatsApp integration as per your own wish. If you want to watch the step-by-step procedure, how to avail this offer, you can watch this website in this section. Let's scroll down, and here all the things are mentioned that what you are getting from this offer. For starting benefiting from this offer, you need to come to this section of itscode.com. Here the hosting charges are mentioned, which is a very nominal charges for developing your website at this time. You will be paid $35 for a year and you will get your free domain, your hosting, and your full website that is powered by WordPress. Let's click on this button. After clicking on this button, you will be landed to hostarmada.com. This is the hosting provider, and it is having a good reputation in the market. We have chosen Host Armada by keeping the speed, cost, and performance in mind. And we make it sure that you will get best possible performance and service from this provider. But for starting, you may click on hosting, or you may hover your mouse on hosting, and here you will find different types of hosting plans: Cloud WordPress, Cloud Shared, Cloud Reseller. So we are making WordPress website, so you need to click on Cloud WordPress Hosting. After clicking on the Cloud WordPress Hosting, a page will appear: Manage WordPress Hosting. Scroll down and you will find different pricing plan. Click on Annually, and here you will find StarDoc, WebWarp, and Speed Reaper, having different cost depending upon the different service, different specification from each package. In the StarDoc, you will get 15 GB, that will be more enough for your website. You will get 2 core CPU, 2 GB of RAM. If you are getting started, you may go with StarDoc, and if you are expecting a huge amount of traffic, you may go with WebWarp and Speed Reaper. If you are going with StarDoc, keep it in mind that you will only be able to host only one website. But with WebWarp and Speed Reaper, you may host unlimited website until your 30 GB of storage completed. So for this tutorial, we are going with StarDoc and click on the Get Started button. After clicking on the Get Started button, you will find 3 different options here: register a domain, transfer your domain, and I will use my existing domain. We are going with the third point. I will use my existing domain and update my name server. You may put your any domain here which you are expecting to use in the future. So for this purpose, we are using itscode.com here for your reference. After putting your domain and its extension, click on the Use Domain button and click on Continue. After clicking on the Continue button, you will find the billing cycle on the next page. Don't click on monthly plan. It will be expensive for you and you will not get a free domain from your monthly plan and you may lose a lot of money. Click on annually plan. With annually plan, bi-annually plan and tri-annually plan, you will get a free domain for your website. Click on the annually plan and choose a data center. Data center is chosen by keeping in mind the traffic from your region. If you are expecting traffic from India or nearby India, you may choose Mumbai. Or if you are living in any other place and you are expecting the traffic from the same place, you may choose your location accordingly. So I am going with Mumbai here and we are not choosing anything else. Just click on preview order. After clicking on the preview order, you will be landed to the next page on order summary. Here you can see that the cost of this offer is $143, but at this time you need only to pay $35 for a year, which is an amazing offer. This pricing is also included a free domain that you will get after your purchase. So click on the checkout button and on the next page you will be required to fill out your personal information, first name, last name, email address, phone number, your company information, your street address, your city, and so on. Create a password which you can easily remember for your future login. Click on the payment, go to the payment section, and here you will find credit card and PayPal option. Choose your option according to your best suiting. You can put your any debit card here. You don't need to have a credit card. For credit card and debit card, choose this option, and for PayPal, you can select this option. Just click on the credit card and after clicking on I have read your terms and condition, click on complete order. After clicking on the complete order, your payment will be deducted, which is equivalent to $35. And after completing the payment, you will get an invoice on your registered email, which you mentioned here. After completing the purchase, you will need to send your invoice, which you will get from Host Armada, to our registered to our chat section of itscode.com, or you may send us at our WhatsApp number. After submitting the invoice, our team will give you a form in which you need to put details for your desired website, and we will complete your website into 10 to 14 working days. Goodbye. Best of luck for your amazing business journey. See you.